Welcome back to the fourth example in the study of variable separation method. Let's see how you can possibly evaluate this particular problem. Fourth example, please. Let's see how you can possibly solve this particular question. It says the one over the x is equal to y in y over x. My first task is easy as take the term having y and the y to the left hand side and move the term having x and the x, the word there, to the right hand side of the equation. That's all. So it means I'll be having what there. This I'll have the y all over this term here is having y. Bring it down here. That gives you y ln y is equal to this the x. Replace it here back. That gives you the x over this x. That's all. That's all. You should know how this works by now. Next task here, integrating through. Integrating through. That gives you the integral of dy over y ln y is equal to the integral dx over x. All right, I have this one here. It says shift out the y and the x. That gives you the integral of 1 over y ln y, of course dx, of course dy equals the integral of 1 over x. Of course I have dx. All right, please, how do you integrate this one here? And if I integrate 1 over x, that gives you ln x. We know that, no problem. How do you integrate this? So look up please, for better experience and better understanding, I'll express everything here in terms of x because we are always familiar with x. We are all familiar with x. So let's take this out. If I have the integral of 1 over y ln y, of course, you said the y, so I'll take everything as x. So take it as x. As x, we are familiar with x. We will use x. Let's use x all through. So we're familiar with x. So I have integral of 1 over x ln x dx. What do? My first task is to let u to be equal to what there? Ln x. Differentiate u with respect to x. That gives you the u over the x is equal to what there? 1 over x. Make the x subject. That gives you the x is equal to what there? The x equal to what there? X du. X du. Of course, 1 times the x gives you the x. Du times x gives you x du. From here, now substituting, that gives you the integral of 1 over x. Ln x is, we just said ln x is u. So ln x now gives you u. I have u here. Dot dx. Dx now is what? X du. What do I observe here? This x cancel this x. What I have left is the integral of 1 over u, of course, with respect to the u. I have du. If I integrate 1 over u, I'll have ln u, then a plus c if I want to, right? So for now, I can't use plus c because I'm going to put it here. So that gives you ln u. But what's u? But u is what of the question? U is what? Ln x. U is ln x. So my answer gives you ln into u, ln x. This gives you ln x. This is called ln x or ln of ln x. So my answer after integrating this is this. Now hold on. I change this to x and x and x. So my answer now should not be is in x form. So it means that if I integrate this and this, they are the same thing. But my answer they are the same thing, but this is in y form, in x form. So my answer of what will be the same thing, but this is x form, here will be what, in y form. So if I integrate this one here, I'll have ln of ln y instead of x now, because I'm using x form. So it's not equal to, if I integrate 1 over x, that gives you ln x, of course, plus c. From here, I want to make sure that this y stands alone. That's our goal. So this ln is what? Log of that thing in the front to what? To base e. That's all. Ln alone is log to base e. This stuff here remains the same here. Is equal to ln x plus c. We said apply this idea I just showed you earlier. All right, let me show you again. So let me assume. Let me show you. I will always show you. So look up, please. I said if you have log 32 base 2 equals 5. This is logarithm. Take this back to indices. That means write out this 32 first. 32 comes out first, equals this 2 becomes a big number, while this 5 it becomes the power. 2 to the power 5 gives you 32, and that's correct. What am I saying? I'm saying that this one here, this log is this log. 32 is this one, and base 2 is this one here, equals this one at 5 here, right? This is what I'm having. So 32 comes out first. So this one comes out first. That gives you ln y comes out first this way. Ln y comes out first this way is equal to, said this down one becomes bigger. This down becomes what there? Becomes bigger. Everything here becomes the power into ln x, of course, plus c. I have this one here. Yet, I can't see, I have not yet make y stand alone. I still have a ln here again. Apply the same concept. Ln gives you log to base e. This y is here. Is equal to what there? Exponential into ln x plus c. Exponential goes here. So you have this y. I apply this idea. 32 comes out first. So y comes out first equals this small one becomes a big one here. So this small one becomes a big one here. Then this 5 here becomes the power. So it means this one here becomes the power. That gives you exponential into ln x plus c. Plus c. All right. This is the required solution for this differential equation. So that I solve this particular question. So observe the concept of ln and log, the way I use it. So this I solve problem of this kind. Let's proceed to example 5. Under the study of the differential equation using a method called variable separation method.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right. So once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen.